No, 5 minutes.
Try this. Radha Krishna Pranama.
Of course.
Radha Krishna Pranamora Jogala Kishora Jivane Marane Gati Arana Himura Radha Krishna
Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Samakaya Chakshurmitam Yena Tasmai Sri Guravi Namah Guravi Gaura Chandraya Radhikavai Tadalai Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadabhaktaya Vande Guru Vadadannam Bhaktavinda Samadnitam Sri Chaitanam Prabhum Vande Nityananda Sahoditam Nanda Nandanam Vande Radhika Saranam Yoginam Sahoditanam Vrindavanam Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Gurupad Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satasistri Mad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satamad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashta Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all of Vaishnavis, and presented my all respectful guests. So just I want to speak few words. We are very lucky. We have come. It's Mahatirtha here. This is called Mahatirtha. Why? Where is the great Vaishnavas are coming, that place is called Mahatirtha. Eh? If you go to the pilgrimage place, then maybe your heart will be purified or not, some doubts. Because in the tirthas, some sinful people they are going and also perform their many kinds of activities and they left their sin. For this regard, tirtha is called contaminated. Understand this? But when pure devotee is to come that place, and that place will be purified. Bhagavad Vida Bhagavata Tirthi Bhuta Sangbhavo Prabhu Tirtha Kurvanti Tirthani Santastena Gadabhyata. Only pure devotee purified that the place. But for these Uttam Uttam Mahabhagavat, those who are very near and dearest of Krishna, or Srimati Radhika, that is called Radharani's Priyajan or Nitya Sevika. Mentioned Srimati Radhika would come, that place is higher than Tirtha. So Gurudev used to come here also. How many times came here this place? Once. And Gurudev also did very nice, beautiful also. Boat sporting Leela also this Gurudev. That time this river completely also flooded. And devotee also arranged to cross the river and with a boat. Very nice, beautiful this Leela also here. You can make this picture. There's a small picture. We have to make the big because Gurudev came. Other picture is very big, but this picture is very small. So I request you also, and you have to print big size. Then everybody remember how this place is called Mahatirtha, not Mahatirtha. He is called Mahatirtha. Understand? So, and almost all the Vaishnavas, they used to come also here. And they are very kind. And Chandrakala Didi and Mathuranath Prabhu, they are so kind. Take care all the devotees also here. And bringing, and with also his, what is called, block cards. Sometimes also is, and Jagannath taking this, and so give the big claps for him. So they
He's doing Harinam around Moolamba every Friday for 15 years.
15 years. But give the claps also.
With Chandrakala, and they go at the time the school buses coming, and they wait all the school buses stop by their Harinam. So for 15 years, all the school children every Friday they're dancing on the bus.
Give him again more claps. Nice beautiful place also this. And calm and quiet. If you come this place, all the stimulation will manifest in your heart as Vrindavan. There Giriraj Govardhan, you say this side. Big Giriraj Govardhan also there. And also Jamuna river, very nice, beautiful green forest as like Vrindavan. Automatically, spontaneous, your heart will be overjoyed. And Mathuranath Prabhu also there. Many now also there. Many nice, beautiful gardens, many fruits, every kind of fruits and flowers, jackfruits, what is called papaya, banana, everything is there. Very nice, beautiful this place also. So when I used to come here, and sometimes I was staying here also then, in that the place, 7, 8 days, 9 days, and I was staying in that place also, that house. And sometimes snake also here. Understand? What is it called? Python. Sometimes they caught the python and throw very far from there. But I don't know, again come back or not. Very nice, beautiful place, this. As like Vrindavan. And everything is automatically learn. Udipan, stimulating. For this regard, Didi also singing this song. Radha Kunda Tata Kunja Kutira Govardhana Parvata Jamunati. So that means this is real, this thing, place also. How is beautiful this place. And they also doing bhajan, sadhan, very nice, beautiful, all these things. I think most of the, here this many also, all the preachers, they used to come here. Uma Didi she also came. Samrani Didi came. Also Nemi Maharaj came. Siddhanti Maharaj came. Or Tirtha Maharaj came. Or which came? Or Kishori Mohan Sudhani. Madhav Maharaj came. Another? Siddhar Maharaj. All Maharaj came. Even in future who will be, everybody will come also. And all Guru Vargas is here, very nice, beautiful place is there. So this is for this Tirtha is called Maha Tirthas. Very beautiful place. Just I have explained this. Harikatha. Their life completely dedicated to the speech of Guru Padma. And this thing is.
She makes dresses for the deities.
And
She makes dresses for the deities here.
Chandrakala Didi, she also
Makes Thakurji's
Thakurji's dress, cloth, a nice, beautiful day. Singing, dancing, everything is here also. Before we were thinking also here we'll also build one big temple. That's good also.
Prabhuji is expanding this, making bigger.
A nice, beautiful day. And you do on the big temple is good also. Then devotee will come and do bhajan and sadhan. Good or not?
Yeah.
Huh.
Very well.
And he has very nice cows also. Today we saw. And before our block card, now the cows also here. The cows are giving milk. How much milk they are giving? Not giving now. Not giving now. Okay. Huh?
बुढ़ी हो गई
Would you?
गाय बुढ़ी हो
Huh?
दूध नहीं देते हैं
दूध नहीं देते, पहले देती थी नहीं.
before they used to give no?
Yeah.
How much?
How much are they giving? Before?
I forget.
One bucket.
These cows become old. But you look like yeah.
Daughter is young, she never had a calf, so only mother and daughter, but not so much grass, so not breeding more, because Gora is bullock, he's not bull. Gora is
Sterile.
castrated.
Sterile.
Huh?
वो sterile है उसपे potency नहीं है.
Castrated.
Acha. Okay. Everything here, mango tree is also here. No? Yeah, this is a mango tree. Mango is coming or not? Okay, mango tree, avocado tree.
Our garden is not so good with being neglecting, but Gopali's garden, so much is growing, so much.
Yeah.
Gopal's is growing so much.
Gaur Premanand. So now coming in this way, they had devotees, especially yeah, more and more devotees so much. Endeavors, they are endeavors to serve Guru and Vaishnavas. They also associated many great Vaishnava, Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj. He was staying in Jagannath Puri, where? Bhubaneswar. And Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj, have you also? Chastised or not?
Yeah.
Those who are devotees, those who are disciples of Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj.
Very fortunate.
They are great fortune. Clap. Very nice, beautiful this thing. And Gurudev so many times glorified my mood and Gaur Govinda Goswami mood. Same. So now coming in this, and today yesterday we also very nicely celebrated Srimati Radhika's appearance day, Janma Mahotsav, and all devotee also to offer your Puspanjali. Those who are rest, tomorrow you can also offer your Puspanjali. Speak glorified of Srimati Radhika. Radha Tattva is very important. You speak Krishna or not, you must speak about Srimati Radhika. Why? Because our Ishta Devi Srimati Radhika. Madisa Nante Madhvina Chandra Braja Banesari. Raghunath Das Goswami explain our mistress Srimati Radhika. And Gaudiya Vaishnava always they are hankering how to become the maidservant of Srimati Radhika. Radhika dasi yadi hoy abhiman shighra mile tabe gokulokan. Bhaktivinoda Thakur singing this song also. If you think I will become the maidservant of Srimati Radhika, automatically Krishna will be chasing behind to you. So the Radhika dasi yadi hoy abhiman. Abhimanam prityajam prakita vapuradisu. Abhimanam prityajam. First give up your bodily conception, Dehat Abhiman. Or other thing, how will become the maidservant Srimati Radhika? Radha Dasam. Asasya Dasya Visabhanu Jaya. What is it? Asasya Dasya. Only one hope. How will become the maidservant Srimati Radhika? Understand? This Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed these bars also. asasya dasya visabhanu jaya tatkeli kunji. Yeah, how will become the medicine Srimati Radhika and serve in her kunja seva. This is our aim and object. And Tambularpana Pada Mardana Vayudana Visardi Vindaranna Mahestari Prana Prishti Sakhi Kila Sankojita Bhumika Rupa Manjari Dasika Aham Sangsrayit. Raghunath Das Goswami composed this verse. How to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. And what kinds of service? Now, Tambula Arpana Pada Mardana Poyo Dana Abhisara Devi. And Tambula Arpana, how to offer to Tambul mane betel nut, Pan to Srimati Radhika. Tambula Arpana. Pada Mardanam, how to massage the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Tambula Pada Mardana Poyo Danam. Poyo Danam means how to offer water to Srimati Radhika. Because you are thinking, but this is the ordinary seva. Anybody can give water. Simple, no. This is not ordinary things. And you are thinking, oh, this is simple seva. But this service is not simple. Offering to water to Srimati Radhika, that is not ordinary thing. Understand? When you read our Goswami's Grantha, then you may understand how Manjaris, they serve to Srimati Radhika, different, and thanks to Srimati Radhika. And understand? And Tambula Arpana, Pada, Mardana, and how to massage to Srimati Radhika. For this guy, Raghunath Das Goswami, Bilap Kusumanjali, Granthar Singh, Sirupa Manjari Karar Chita Pada Padma, Goshtandana Bhujar Vita Mastakaya, Ha Mudata Kanaka Gori, Padar Vindam, Sanvayani, Sanakistava Kim Karishse. And Radha and Krishna, they perform sweet Leela. Different Leela is there. Dancing, singing. So Srimati Radhika, she became very tired. Now Srimati Radhika, she is taking rest on the lap of Krishna. And Krishna also, what is called? And
Caress.
caress the hair of Srimati Radhika. Or then Rupa Manjari very gently, softly massage the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Then Raghunath Das Goswami, and in his transcendental constituent form, Siddhadeva, and in his Siddha absorbed and hankering, hey Rupa Manjari, could you give me this service to me? That I can serve lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So then, Sirupa Manjari Karar Chita Pada Padma Goshtandana Bhajar Pita Mastakaya Ha Madata Kanaka Gauri Padar Vindam Sanvahani Sanakin Kim Karisse. These types of service. And Pada Mardan, this is not ordinary service. Everybody cannot do this also. So these types of service is hankari. So that means Kinkaritta Bhav. This is very confident. So Gaudiya Vaishnav, always they are hankaring how to serve to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Because they are aim and object how to give sweet pleasure to Srimati Radhika. Radha Snehadhika. What do you say? Radha Snehadhika. Their love and affection towards giving intents to Srimati Radhika. They are mamatta. Because servitual mode, everything depends on your mamata. Mamata means possessiveness. This mamata also divided in two also. One is called Madhusneha, another is called Gitasneha. Seva, everybody can do serve also this. But how to serve with mamata. This is mine. Mamata. What is it? Mamata. Mama mind, my mind. Permanent that is mine. This is not yours. Eh? If you deeply analyze the why use this word mamata? English word we saying possessiveness. But in Sanskrit word you can use this is separate this word mamata. But that is mine, that is not yours. Eh? So we are thinking mama is mine. Eh? So I-ness and minus also in transcendental world. In this material world also I-ness, minus, that Sanskrit word that is called ahangata and mamata. But that ahangata, mamata, that is called material things. Maya's mamata, ahangata. Eh? My son, my wife, my husband in this material world. And I am this body. This is called the ahangata or mamata. But this ahangata, mamata is a false ego only. But a transcendental world, same ahangata or mamata is there. That is for only for exclusive pleasure for Krishna. Eh? Ahangata, mamata is there also. And here also is ahangata and mamata. But here ahangata, mamata for their own sense gratification. A transcendental world that the ahangata or mamata or only for Krishna centered. Eh? Nanda Maharaj is saying, Krishna is my son. Madhar Jasdas is saying, my son. Eh? So my son, man, Krishna belongs to me. Eh? Mamata. And that ahangata, mamata, eternal and transcendental. In this material world, ahangata, mamata, that is called temporary and changeable. Eh? Changeable not. You are saying my son, okay. Eh? My wife, my husband, everything is good. My house, everything is saying. But the one day that is will what? Change. Eh? Everything changes. And your body change, then your ahangata, mamata change. Everything is changed. But transcendental world, that ahangata, mamata, eternal and transcendental. Eh? So when you first you realize these things, and that is the so Nanda Maharaj is saying my son. And Jasoda is saying my son. I am the father of my son Krishna. And Putratva Abhiman, Pitritva Abhiman. What is it? Putratva Abhiman and Pitritva Abhiman. I am the father of my son Krishna. So Pitritva Abhiman, understand? This is but this Prititva Abhiman, I am the son of my son Krishna. This Prititva Abhiman, that is eternal and transcendental. Eh? And Krishna also is thinking, Nanda Maharaj is my father. So that is the Abhiman is eternal and transcendental. And in this material world, that the Pitritva and Matritva or Putrata, all Abhiman is what? Temporary and changeable. Gaudiya Vaishnava saying this is not false. We are not saying false. We are saying is what? Tatkalik Sattva. Which Vaishnava language, Vaishnava is saying this is called Tatkalik Sattva. Means this truth that in the present time, this time. Not eternally. Only this time you are the father of your son. This time. But this body, when body, your son's body change, but your body change, and automatically everything also change. So changeable. But in transcendental world, that egos, eternal and transcendental. That's also Abhiman is there. But that Abhiman is called eternal and transcendental. This is the thing. So now coming in this way, but this Abhiman not only the enough. So first, then coming one thing that is called mamatta. Ananya mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. This prem, this love, only apply towards Krishna. Because ananya mamata, your mamata possessiveness should be one pointed with Krishna. So saying ananya mamata Vishnu, here Vishnu means Krishna also. Ananya mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. That mamata possessiveness is called transcendental divine love. You understand or not? What is the transcendental divine love? Ananya mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata.
One pointed possessiveness towards Krishna.
Krishna.
Is this for the sadhak? Is this for the sadhak?
Are for everybody. This is the definition of love. There are so many definitions of love, but this is the first definition of love. What is called the prem, love. Now, ananya mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. Ananya mamata. Ananya means one pointed. Your mamata should be one pointed with Krishna or Vishnu. दूर आप शुद्ध राधा जी समझते नहीं है राधा जी क्या है. राधा जी तो विषय विग्रह, आश्रय विग्रह. कृष्ण के प्रति होना चाहिए ना, कृष्ण के प्रति होना चाहिए. और वही कृष्ण के प्रति जो ममता होता है राधा में जाता है, आश्रय में जाता है. आज समझिए अभी ये समझ. पहले कृष्ण विषय विग्रह के छोड़ करके आप प्रेम नहीं बना सकते हो. हाँ समझो. राधा शक्ति तत्व है और कृष्ण शक्तिमान तत्व है. तत्व विचार, पहले तत्व विचार में आप क्या हो जाओ, पक्के बन जाओ. जब तक पक्के विचार तत्व विचार में प्रतिष्ठित नहीं हो रहा है, इफ यू नॉट तो फिक्स्ड तत्व विचार, you cannot understand these things. Rasa vichar cannot do it. Everything first to establish tattva siddhanta. Mahaprabhu saying Nandan Krishna, and he is my pranadhan. He is my everything. Because everything you have to going to under guidance of Srimati Radhika. Adya Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada explained, we serve to Krishna who is called the origin, Akar Vishaya Vigraha. What is saying? Akar means origin. Vishaya Vigraha, Krishna, object of divine love. But how to serve to Akar Vishaya Vigraha Krishna under guidance of आश्रय विग्रह श्रीमती राधिका. यही हमारी विचार होता रहता है. वो पढ़ना गौड़ीय वैष्णव क्या बोले, भक्ति सिद्धांत प्रभुपाद कहते हैं, जब तक तुम्हारे कृष्ण के प्रति नहीं हो, राधा जी के प्रति जाएगा नहीं. वो कहां से? पहले कृष्ण की तो प्रतिष्ठा करना पड़ेगा ना. इसलिए श्रीमद् भागवत में किसकी प्रतिष्ठा की? कृष्णस्तु भगवान स्वयं. कृष्ण में होनी चाहिए. फिर वही भाव धीरे धीरे राधा में जाएगी. पहले राधा में थोड़ी जाएगी. फर्स्ट गो टू कृष्ण. कृष्ण विषय विग्रह, आकर विग्रह, द तत्व विचार. से have to enter in Tattva Siddhanta. Nandanandan Krishna more pranadhan. Ei bakke taha bikailuam. I completely sold out. The Nandanandan Krishna is my क्या बोले, ट्रेजर ऑफ हार्ट, हृदय धन है ये तत्व सिद्धांत। रस सिद्धांत देन यू कम टू श्रीमती राधिका है। यू सर्व टू हुम? राधा जी मीन्स ईश्वर। व्हाट इज मीन राधा तत्व? श्रीमती राधिका सी इज द एम्बॉडीमेंट ऑफ सर्विचुअल मूड, सेवा वृत्ति। सेवा के मूर्त विग्रह ही राधा है? और सेवा राधा जी किसको सेवा कर रही है? कृष्ण की सेवा कर रही
divine service.
है। ये विचार हमें रखना पड़ेगा। आज जो ममता जितने बढ़ते जाए वही राधा जी से तो फिर कृष्ण में आ जाए, और फिर कृष्ण से राधा जी जाती है।
The more your attachment grows, possessiveness grows for Krishna, then you will go transfer to Srimati Radhika.
श्रीमती राधे के प्रति जाएगा वो है। जो जो से रस में होते वही जाना पड़ेगा उसको है। क्यों कृष्ण ही इज कॉल्ड रसो रस वही से जेवा लब्ध नंदिर भवती, रसमय विग्रह कृष्ण है। एंड देन कृष्ण ऑल्सो अगेन रिलीजिंग दिस रस with his devotees. Srimati Radhika, she serves to Krishna. How she serves Krishna? With a different ways. Even Srimati Radhika, she did man. And Krishna releasing this also mellows from the heart of Srimati Radhika. Look there. Srimati Radhika in this way served to Krishna also. Krishna's seva. And Srimati Radhika's her mamata towards Krishna is unique and unparalleled. For their last sloka of Shikshastak, what is saying? Aslisya va padaratang vinastuma adarsanat va marmahatang karotu va jatha tatha va vidudhatu lampato mat prananathasthu saivo na paraha. Who is saying this? Srimati Radhika herself is saying. Though this verse recited by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, actually this verse recited by Srimati Radhika. Aslisva padaratam. Krishna may embrace to me or kicked out me. And padaratang. Padaratang means kick out. अरे पैर के द्वारा मुझे रेंध भी दे। पादर पैर के द्वारा पीसते चलो।
Crush me under his feet.
When you deeply analyze है आश्रिस्वा पदरतांग पिनष्टुमान अदर्शनात् मत अदर्शनात् may give me darshan or not, no problem. Karduba jatha tathava vidodhatu lampato. Even he is lampat, no problem. He can meet with others ladies, no harm. Lampat. But he is my
life and soul.
Life and soul. Look this thing. Srimati Radhika, what is saying to Krishna? Aslisya va padaratang pinastubang mat adarsanat marmahatang karatu va. Maybe I feel so much pain in my heart. Jatha tatha vidodhatu marmahatang karatu va. Jatha patha va vidodhatu lampato. But he is my Prananath. Radharani is saying this word. Krishna is my Prananath. Is my life and soul. So this type of Krishna is my Prananath. This is called the Mamatta. Understand? गैया तजो मैया तजो भैया तजो कन्हैया कबू नहीं तजो. ब्रजवासी देश. They will give up everything. mother, father, everything so, but they will never give up Krishna. Maiya tajo, bhaiya tajo, gaiya tajo, kanaiya, kabu nahi tajo. The Siddhanta is there also. That's what. Because Krishna is our main, that is called object of divine love. Visaya Vigraha Krishna. You cannot establish Rasa Siddhanta without Visaya Vigraha Krishna. Only you cannot serve to Srimati Radhika. Or only you cannot serve to Krishna. You have to serve to Krishna with Srimati Radhika. Or we have to serve to Srimati Radhika with Krishna. Jugal Upasana. Gauriya Vaishnav, they worship Jugal Upasana. Jugal, understand? Divine couple. And so saying these are not only Radha Krishna Prano Moro Jugal Kishora Jivane Morane Goti Aranai Moro. And Kalindira Kule Keli Kadambera Bone Ratana Bediro Upor Basava Dujane. And Ratana Bediro Upor Dujane. Dujane means Radha and Krishna, both couple. Every day. Gatiya Malatir Mala Divo Duhan Gale. Not only Radha, not only Krishna, both. Everything you are thinking. Jugal Upasana. Gaudiya Vaishnava, for this regard, in Gaudiya Vaishnava, you can see that the Vigraha is God. Not only Krishna, not only Radha. Radha Krishna. Because Prem manifested with both. Prem not manifested one. Only serve to Srimati Radhika, Prem will not manifest. Or only worship Krishna, also not Prem not manifest. You have to serve both. Understand? This is the process also. Although some people they worship only Krishna, some they worship only Srimati Radhika. But Shastra saying no. This love is coming with the two. Dualism need. See, the prem is coming this way. When Radha and Krishna they are meeting together and servicing to each other. And Krishna, Srimati Radhika, she serves to Krishna. And Krishna also, he serves to Srimati Radhika. And Krishna serves to Srimati Radhika. And Radha, Srimati Radhika serves to Krishna. Seva, this is saying. But different say, Rasmadurja Seva is there. And Krishna paying his obeisances. Whose lotus feet? Srimati Radhika. If Srimati Radhika is not there, so how Krishna will pay his obeisances? Whose lotus feet? So need is what? Two. Dualism, Daitavad. This is very important. So try to understand this way. Seva vritti is there. Srimati Radhika said, will man. To man with whom? Krishna. Look, Krishna, he went to the palace of Chandravali. Chandravali ke kunja mein gaya. Okay. But Srimati Radhika, she is waiting for Krishna in her kunja. But when Krishna is coming, her kunja, Srimati Radhika's kunja, then Srimati Radhika she become very angry. Before she did not angry. Or when Krishna come in the kunja of Srimati Radhika, Srimati Radhika became angry. Huh? And that time she also did many kinds of Leela Idis. Huh? Huh?
Why then, not before?
Before?
She didn't.
Before no need. When coming. Eh? Just to give you an example, your husband is going to the market. Eh? When something late, that time wife become very angry. Late and acha. When coming husband, when the wife, when the husband arrive in and your house, and that time wife become very angry. Hey, why did you? Huh? Before she is not saying this, she knows everything. This is the nature of the love. Huh? This in this material world. Eh? Understand? Angry or not? Eh? Then she is showing her Rudra Murti. Rudra Murti, understand? They become very
For life. For life. So
destruction coming. So Srimati, this is all the prem. Prem ke different. These are different activities of love. Prem, this is. Huh? But maybe you ask why? Because Srimati Radhika, why she is angry with Krishna? What is the reason? Because Srimati Radhika, she realized, yeah, only I can give the exclusive pleasure to Krishna. No one can give exclusive pleasure to Krishna. If Krishna would go to the Chandravali, she will not give proper satisfaction to, but not completely serve to Krishna. So if Chandravali not give proper service to Krishna, Krishna not happy. For this regard, Srimati Radhika is thinking, why did you go there? This is the main reason. And Srimati Radhika, she became angry. You read, this is the, what is it called? Always I mention this book, Prem Sampurgandha. Srimati Radhika, she asked this, and what is his name? Devangana, she asked, Krishna disguised the form of Devangana. And Krishna asked these things also. Why you love your beloved Krishna? This is true. And so, love is not looking any faults. This is the love one thing. Love, if you love someone, you cannot see his any faults. And प्रेम किसी को दोष नहीं देखते हैं, समझते हैं? This is the main सिद्धांत. This is the सिद्धांत. Love does not look at any faults. This is the main thing. So for this regard, what is his name? Devangana, she asked, when Krishna asked to Srimati Radhika, so why did you angry with your beloved Krishna? Why did you angry? Angry is coming, you look at his fault. Oh, this is not good. Angry. That time Srimati Radhika, she told, actually, I did not angry with Krishna. I giving teaching to Krishna. This issue, why did you go there? Because Chandravali cannot give the proper service to you. Just a given, you are hungry. You are not asked the prasad from your mother. Your mother, she knows what kinds of food you like. Only mother can know. What did you want? What kinds of food you think? Mother, she knows the heart of her son. This is true. But if you go to the other person, other person does not know your heart. You give that food, you will not eat. You understand? Also, you will not happy. You ate something, but you're not happy. So for the mother, you say, hey, why did you go there? Why did you not come to me? I will feed you. I know what kinds of food you have need and what things for health food,
For your health.
for your health. I know these things. This is true or wrong? So for this regard, why Srimati Radha is saying these things? But Srimati Radha, she has mamata. So only for the only Radhika jane keval Krishna ra hidaya. Only Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna. What's this Siddhant? So Srimati Radhika, she is saying, you read Prem Samputa Grantha, this also explained this. Srimati Radhika, she told, actually I am not angry. Just I chastised to Krishna. You should not go there. I will feed you. I will give everything to you. This is mine. You are belongs to me. This is mamata, everything is there. Understand? But Krishna's nature is also going to here and there. Why? Because otherwise prem will be not increased. If you say why Krishna is going? Krishna, in this way, Krishna, he releasing that these types of mellows. Bala Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki. So I'm again emphasizing, you have to read Prema Samputa Grantha. All your question and answer is there also. Very nice, beautiful Grantha. Again and again read. Vishwanath Chakravarti Bhagavatam. English, Hindi, Bengali, every available. You can manifest your which language? Gujarati. Nice also. Very nice, beautiful Grantha. Prema Samputa Grantha is unique and unparalleled. Then all your doubts will be what? Well, nahi coming. Because Srimati Radhika has so much mamata towards Krishna. Understand? This is the Krishna mamata. These are the. So Srimati Radhika, so that is our aim and object. We serve to Krishna under guidance of Srimati Radhika. Radha Anugattamai Krishna Seva. Understand? This is the process. All you thinking, oh, I will serve to Srimati Radhika. What is the serve of Srimati Radhika? He serve. Manjari service, many kinds of service there also. And you have to make the garland. You are saying Gatya Malatir Mala. Garland Seva. Malla Sevanam. Malla Seva. But this Malla Seva served to whom? Both. You are saying Natam Das. Natam Das. Gatya Malatir Mala Diva Duhar Gali. Prem is coming this way. Then Radha Krishna very pleased. But always your intent should be Srimati Radhika. That is called Radha Nishtha or Radha Snehadhika. Just to give an example, you are childless, your husband will be happy if you serve your father-in-law. Husband will be happy or not? If they no, husband, I only serve to you. I don't want to serve mother-in-law, father-in-law, others. This is the Vedic culture. Then they will say, husband will say, get out from my house. My mother, she nourishment to me from my childhood, and now you are coming, you are saying, only serve. Understand? This is the Vedic culture. You have to give respect your mother-in-law, father-in-law, everybody. Understand? This is the process also. Huh?
But intent is to the husband.
But the intent should be husband. Husband is my this thing. But for the pleasure of my husband, I serve to mother-in-law and father-in-law. So in the same way, Manjaris, they also serve to Srimati Radhika. This is true. But they intend to serve to Srimati Radhika. But they also serve to Krishna. And Krishna says, otherwise, nothing. This is the thing.
Service is indirect service.
Or direct service is there. Everything is direct. I had this in Gatya, Malati, Mala, Duha, Diva, Gogol. Not only Radha, only Krishna. So direct giving garland or not? Ratana Vedi Upar Vasa Bodhijan. Both also there. You read Narottam Das Thakur Prem Bhakti Chandrika Grantha. Without reading Prem Bhakti Chandrika Grantha, you may not understand what is the meaning of Manjari Seva. Because only just you external singing, Manjari Seva means I want to serve to Srimati Radhika, no need to serve to anyone. This is not. Only use this word, Manjari, they never independently, स्वतंत्र रूप में कृष्ण की सेवा नहीं करते. बस इतना ही तक. क्या बोला?
Serve Krishna independently of
The Manjaris
Srimati
will
Radhika.
never serve Krishna independently.
Independent. Only this.
They want to do.
दोनों के साथ में यही सेवा दिखाते.
We have that mindness or mamta towards both.
यार तो बहुत वजह आईने माने ममता बो देते तो इसमें ललिता विशाख में चले जाए. इतने दिन क्या सुन रहे हो? वो तो
The mindness अभी कथा में बोल रहे हैं कि
रात कथा में क्या बोला? आईनेस माइनेस जो हो रहा है, राधा जी मेरे सखी है, ये तो भाव रह रहे, किंतु सेवा किस में जा रहे हैं? दोनों में सेवा रहे. इंटेंस रहेगा. सेवा इंटेंस किस में रहता है? राधा जी में. किंतु सेवा दोनों में हो रहा है. एक ही इसको के समझ में आ जाए तो हो जाएगा. बस समझने के प्रयास को समझ हो जाएगा. नहीं समझ तो क्या होगा? 1000 बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा. वो भी बोलते बोलते सुनते सुनते भगवान के कृपा हो, उन लोग की कृपा हो तो समझ जाओगे. समझना कठिन है, क्योंकि शब्द अपरागित शब्द है, उसके समझना कठिन होता है. ट्रांसेंडेंटल वर्ड्स, हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड. Only your mind absorbed with the material things. Materialism, material these things. How do these? But transcendental thing these. Now 2 o'clock maybe. What is the time now? You take prasad, then go. Then again 6 o'clock, Arati. Then Kirtan, Harikatha. Until 9 o'clock. Chalo. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Jai Jai Sri Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. आरती करते हैं. क्यों आरती? जसोमती नंद. जसोम क्यों अफर ठाकुर जी? Okay. Okay, that's Arati, then take prasad, then go. Okay.